And two such verses were the first two verses of the Quran to be revealed from Surah Iqra, Surah Alaq, chapter number 96, verse number 1 and 2, which says, Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. Read, recite, and proclaim in the name of thy Lord who created the human beings from something which clings, a leech-like substance. The Arabic word alaq means something which clings. It even means a congealed clot of blood. It also means a leech-like substance. So Professor Keith Moore said, I do not know whether the embryo in the initial stages looks like a leech or not. So he went in his laboratory and under a very powerful microscope, he observed the early stages of the embryo and compared it with a photograph of a leech. And he was astonished at the striking resemblance.